Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, so you crash the car. You then go to fix the car. Obviously I'm injured, because you can see the little triangle. Not a triangle. Repair the car. And then mouse wheel treat yourself as well. So once you've mouse wheel treat yourself, you won't have the option to treat yourself anymore. But he still repairs the car. So wait for this to be finished. $90. There we go. Lock my vehicle, unlock my vehicle. Doesn't let me jump in the car. Lets me access that. Doesn't let me let in the infantry. You can see in the bottom left, car is now locked, car is unlocked. Doesn't let me in it. Registration works. Now I've got the keys for searching the vehicle, still doesn't let me in it. So this is the bug I was on about. And also it lets you repair the car again. Thank you.